After capturing a picture or video, choose a question sticker from the sticker tray to add it to your story. Friends can tap the sticker to respond when they see it and can respond as often as they like. The question sticker adds another simple option to communicate with all of your Instagram connections in addition to the post stickers and emoji sliders. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to use Instagram story question stickers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom bar. Tap on Story. Select the story you want. Next, tap on sticker icon at the top of your page. Select the question sticker. Type your custom questions. Tap on Done. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to use Instagram story question stickers. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.